In this video, step by step, I am going to show you how to install Ubuntu desktop. First of all, you need to go to the official Ubuntu website and download the ISO image for the latest version of Ubuntu. The official Ubuntu website for downloading is ubuntu.com/desktop. Once the ISO file is downloaded, you'll need to create a bootable USB drive or DVD. The tutorial for making a bootable USB drive is available on my channel. You can use this video. Alright, when you create a bootable USB drive to install Linux, insert the flash drive into a USB port on your computer. Let's go and install Ubuntu. When you boot your computer from USB, you will see this page, which is the beginning of Linux installation. Select Try or Install Ubuntu. As you can see, the two process of installation is begin. You need to choose your language. I choose English and press the next button. You can then choose to try or install Ubuntu. By selecting Try Ubuntu, you can only see and work with the Linux environment and cannot make any changes to it. But by selecting Install Ubuntu, we can install Ubuntu Linux. Alright, I select Install Ubuntu and press the next button. Select your keyboard layout. If you have an internet connection, you can choose either Wi-Fi or wired connection, which will allow Ubuntu to download updates and drivers. I don't currently have an internet connection, then I select I don't want to connect to the internet just now. In this step, you need to choose between the default installation and full installation options. The default installation option is good for people with less hard drive space because it does not install all the applications and installs only the necessary ones. In other options, you'll have the choice to download updates and third-party software like graphics drivers, which can enhance device compatibility and efficiency while installing. I select full installation and then press the next button. If you select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu, Ubuntu will occupy all the available space on the chosen hard drive. If you are a professional in Linux, you can choose the option of manual partitioning and partition yourself. I select Erase Disk and install Ubuntu and press the next button. And then press the install button. You need to choose your geographical area and time zone from the map and press the next button. you need to enter your name, username, password, and computer name to create a user account. This account will have administrative privileges. Alright, I press the next button. And finally, you can choose your desktop theme, light or dark. I select light and then press the next button. Ubuntu will copy files to your hard drive and install the system. This may take some time, depending on your system's speed.